So, ants roll cage came out dope as shit. Oh, that's better.
Yeah, boy. That'd be the most disrespectful thing in the world. Or you put a Prius motor in it.
Prius that good motors.
That would be fucking disrespect right there.
Here. So for my hydro mount, I did buy this little bracket. The reason behind that is I didn't want to really make anything custom. The Chase Base Hydro does come with a little reinforcement plate, which I plan on welding on right about there-ish. And as you can see, I did cut away a nice little chunk of the dashboard itself so I could mount the hydro there and have it tucked away inside the actual dashboard itself, and I can have the lines run right under the seat so I don't have to worry about that. And I've got plenty of clearance for my legs and everything to actually drive with the hydro. So let's see if we can weld that plate up and get a nice little test fit in here. Let's check it out. So as you can see, I marked up on the bracket itself as to where I'm gonna weld this, and we'll call it a day. Weld it up, see how it fits, and go from there. Alright, so I've never welded before, but let's try it out. So I want to line that up on there, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna just attempt to just like do 2 little tack welds right on the corners. Do that real quick. And then from my understanding is you gotta ground it to itself. So those welds are horrendous. So I was able to get a few decent ones on there, but let's see if I can get it a little bit better than that. I'll give it another try. So I did a little bit better on this one. So I'm extremely proud of myself. Look at these welds. Up, focus. There you go. they're not bad for my first time trying. That's pretty fucking awesome. That's dope. So everything's in. You can see some of my little garbage welds here, but definitely serves a purpose. I'm going to end up painting that bracket anyway, but fits great, looks great where it is, right off the shifter. So really impressed on how this came out. You can see that, can't really tell that it's that cut out, but the reservoir will go here, and then I'll run my line down under the seat, or even maybe through the center console down to the back. But yeah, very clean install. Happy with how it came out. Can't wait to keep working on this car and keep going.